Hello, my name is Riddhima and I'm 13 years old. This is my video for my digital stage YouTube performance from Spardha School of Music. I play the acoustic guitar. The song I'll be singing and playing is Sweater Weather by The Neighborhood. And all I am is a man. I want this world in my hands. I hate the beach, but I stand in California with my toes in the sand. Use the sleeves of my sweater. It's having adventure. Head in the clouds, but my gravity center. Touch my neck, and I'll touch yours. You and those little high-waisted shorts. So she knows what I think about. What I think about. One love, two mouths. One love, one house. No shirt, no blouse. Just us, you find out. Nothing I would tell you about. Oh, 'cause it's too cold for you here and now. So let me hold both your hands in the hole of my sweater. Thank you.